buge ntwire oku I'm still around ka ndirali ka break ga siasa kidogo thirikari njeru kanya ritangugire mpambiri oversight na nandika mpambiri oversight officially actually na we don't launch oversight
it will be televised
oversight we don't launch oversight no to actually we are concluding the financial year thirikari njeru ithiritere irengugine kwa ingwetikia ndina nyankajukia kanya nkambiria gutegera ngugisha thirikari ntumba kuthandithite makosa irithithitwe for the last 1 year
obambi out of 10 so far mwaka jojo mono ntumbije no thirite othingatirite oritingo gibwa thirikari
kiri out of 10 ingwitikia ni untu bakaramu ndaba 1 out of 10
what
ni untu bakaramu
ndio kinyenya nusu nya meeting expectation
ni untu bakaramu
you know below pa
of course you below average and that is my rating.
Why
Mheshimiwa
yes
you see we convinced Anto we convince county assembly we convince Moringi Okura Omero we convince senate ate Kawira Atibui and let us replace him na deputy owe Mutuma and then ore yawa tuira ate we mwa 1 out of 10 kire grading yeto eune
the fact that Kawira Atabui tio ya district ya kumisha kethera Mutuma na Abui na mwana mwaka gwata hii nonge akagwata hii utuga no ntubako gwata hii bo baire go change hii ewe so oni ndenda kuga leadership ya Kawira utere Bui na ntuga ni Bui no ntuberema violations chonde cia sheria iria Kawira Mwangasa thithitie chonde iria ciatumite mwikia senate Mutuma gutonya actually started indeed the same thing na indaugire actually indaririe the same Mutuma gutonya indaugire kuringana na appointments iria ciaejanwa na uria thirikari iwe ekurita ngugi tuli ontakene that is the thing I said the first month ndauga mero ndikubwira tuli ontakene because nothing changed utuntu bwa change violations ira chonde ciathithitwe ni the former governor no cho Mutuma enderere kuthithia for example appointments
kienda twira mumiro atiri yani yo maite kana makosa governor Mutuma abwithitie kuma ari ukumetene makosa ya iya riko ya kuona mwango ka atiri eje na we na Kawira bonde same
irigo appointments irigo appointments na appointed officers baba ingi mono bati qualify arega ku appoint officers ba qualify in the offices now we are one of my issues.
Do you have examples?
I have examples. Chief officers bara appointed upon the by sitting na arua kutwe buru na qualify ku thari office na you apart from very few yes
utoe ori kumpa example ya umoro to qualify
ndauga bonde bara appointed to qualify number 2 it is illegal to appoint and to act in offices that are that already have substantive orders.
E.g.
For example, baleberie batekinyetie gita aba appointed bange ba jukite biu na
chief officers.
But yes. Number 3. Utumba ku appoint mtu alita active for over 6 months not to advertise the position. Positions is vacant. But it's advertised. Mwankana aru ita advertised gichunge.
Atire mheshimiwa.
Yes.
I want us
yes.
to work na specifics. So to ire atire Karimi County na appointed wa chief officer wa department fulani na Karimi ati qualify non to boke na ke Karimi na thire to are acting kwa kaita kana o na atibati kwithwa are acting because of this and this and this.
Ndauga atire.
Let us work with specifics.
Departments you chonde. ndauga departments chonde ira ciena acting I don't even have to name names ira ciena acting chief officers it is illegal department almost all of them ningwetikie department yo ithatu ciena ranged chief officers finance ya roads na ndigwetikia kwina ingi nte very sure that kwina ingi all the other chief officers no kumenya ibeberwe barabari ku acting na ndauga ba acted over 6 months na ugi appoint muntu acting in an office obu ikwithiro thithete anident and hand that oike kwa public service board it is wrong kwa appoint muntu atura acting yau na position yeu mberema uti create a vacant uti advertise that position actually obu wa appoint muntu acting or advertise that post yes if at all it is vacant
mheshimiwa
ewi sheria na ewi sheria ira ndathoma senate kabo nkararia niki
like mtu akwa point are acting no mwaka advertise we
yes
no you don't advertise for acting
no ndauga atiri that vacant position that vacant position it is vacant kawa nenkera mtu ati meanwhile ukiojuria that position so sheria riuga atiri na bundikire boega sheria riuga atiri mbere ukinenkera mtu baruge acting wethiro kunenkera public service board anident ya ku advertise that position so lera mtu act for more than 6 months it is very wrong nikinuntu na mbere ma antu bara banenkeri ba act bari nenkero antu ba juniors bakarungamira seniors. Now that was my contention. Kinya thirikari neka wira. It is very wrong in public service. So in my opinion, public service has seriously been mismanaged. Na ikiwa tumiwonere maranya resign na umango gine neta no ntogo a minister of public service. Ende antu bale baga appointwa na ale otije baga appointwa juniors kurungamira seniors. Maranya is a serious lawyer. Utumbo karangu gine je uyo pus.
Jawi makosa jambere jangi.
Jawi makosa jambere. Makosa jajairi. Makosa jajairi. Ndauga violations chonde ira kawira thithetie. Ichenderete. Mbere ma ira ndirateterete mono erua na ire tumainya inyathanira max ni raitetie ciena maburu neu employment. Employment irathithagwa kana advertised positions irariku. Advertised positions iwimbikirite uchungu mono. Nonto ewinjire kundi na yana betu bamiro batirona ngugi and it is very wrong.
Ndonendo kiuka Kawira is innocent of this after mutumago accuse Kawira.
Kawira is very innocent. Na inda wira okairenda uga Kawira itwamwitire obisi. Na ntera gwa Kawira is competent. Kawira still remains incompetent. Na nathithiria all those violations.
Ende kiri issue eje.
Kawira is very clean. Utewe antu bombo karandi bathithia muchemanyo somewhere barekania bacho antu bete kotini gupinga a process bachoka ende barekania baandire Kawira. Kawira imomero, Kawira ina rights chawe nyawe, Kawira na anero kama ng'ombe ntumbori na arekeru akame ng'ombe ciawe in peace.
Bora kuibwa kinsinuate mheshimiwa ni ati ithirikari yo ngono yiendete kotini.
Eongwa nonto.
How is that possible?
It is possible nonto even before going to court, even before going to court through proxies. But they really trying to frustrate the process. Bageretie mono. Now I want it to go on record. No, I want it to go on record. Teremwe selected MCAs better convince ba participate ke kurungeka process. But I want to thank our members of the county assembly ba better was selectively. Baregere buru. Barega buru.
Better ko batithia te.
Ba tetheria thirikari kurungeka the process. Barega buru.
Mbecha chietau.
Chikwa konge. Chikwa konge. Oni ntetwa ni ango kwira ntetwa. Lakini kwibo beta wa selectively. But I want to thank them. Baregere buru bauga on employment. Bera thirikari you are on your own.
Kuina budget ya kuandika antu?
Budget ni rareo.
Alafu
ende ni rathithirwe supplementary budget.
Why?
Baita mbecha. baitakire that ngugiu
ni raiterwa ndirwa gwai yasenkuigwa te kandira ntamenya ikiritwa no tunti ukwira beta wantu selective ibo beta wabageta
supplementary budget ne bwithirwe ga tabwithu
ne thithirwe ne kinyira assembly gwitikia na ndi na appropriation bill iri in the process
no tira ona supplementary budget
ntirameona
how na we
nkameona na arua
we mbunge no tira ona
ntirameona lakini I've been contacting my colleagues who are in the budget committee.
So,
of course, I'm not a member of the budget committee, but I've been talking to the members of the budget committee, bakambira what they have been able to do.
Fair enough, mheshimiwa.
Yes.
So, bora wotwira ni atire, uteshwa kwethirwa budget ya kuandikana neritirwe.
I am not very sure no tutameona lakini what the budget committee members are telling me baimbiri baritere na chiekirwa ki ward fund.
So yours is just hearsay.
Yes. Eu takameonete ntenda woni kwaria nteto ntigitite atia ntigite. So what I was saying this government has really tried to frustrate the process kugeria ko stop even through a cabinet resolution. They even sat as a cabinet and resolved and banenkana resolution yewe kuga bako ibakondo stop the process.
Again, cabinet.
Again,
yes. Kana ina kumanyera proceedings
cabinet resolution ra yumire cabinet ya nenkanirwa me nenkanirwa ere a document. That is not yes.
And what did they say? The resolution was?
The resolution was the wage bill. The wage bill is very high. The wage bill is very high. Dirikari tiumba kuumba kuandika antu very flimsy excuses. Oira kawira ara shorira a corrupts the website public service bond.
You know so
let me tell you. Let me continue and tell you. On those issues cha employment na kumanage public service na wage bill nambi uninda igwa ntinganiri mono nontu mantu yo inya indageretie kwaria na governor at a personal level ndaria no nkaigwo tikia kunyinta so at one time twachemania na waziri umwe kiathone ai ndamwira turungamane nyumete nti ndamuria nti ukuria na ona friendly ndamuria nti tuira twatetaira cionte ja bona buri ja mono ja public service rume ja akarire ate nuntu the more we continue the more things remain the same ambira twagereria twaremwa so now irio kumbira nti bari 1 out of 10 ikeja kwithira the key person uro kurani thirikari aimbira bagereria baremwa.
Are you also trying to say Mutuma is incompetent just like Kawira? In short, ukeja mtu 1 out of 10 day kwa kwenda kuenywa ni incompetent?
In short ndenda kuga atiri kinya wewe ngwati kumenya urakuthithia itwa na nenkerwe thirikari ndi ati kumenya urakugita atia akuthithia akwa ati kumenya buru akwa buru kumenya ati kumenya ndenda mero na ichonkwere na ndenda kwira mero bamenye buru ati kumenya urakuthithia nontu utumbo karokira mero igitare on the wage bill na ndina issues in the last kuma miaka buga 5 10 mingi antu barabari taite ba exit public service then Meru County ibaba ingi baraba exit through retirement utem wakantu batiritaga kwe baba retired ba umete beta nyangu gene ingi kwe ba umete ba through death and many other ways of exiting service but I replace even a single day lakini wikarokiuga wage bill ka dirikari ya county ya Meru ake nio ethere na wage bill ingi tethere na wage bill na rira ndaugite turi on takene ndaugire atiri ikeja kwithirwa tugaturira issue ya wage bill issue ya wage bill no kirikana kinya last year no ukwaere kwina issues cia wage bill na wage bill tereka antu baandikwa number 1 masibitari jetu aja ingi no tujatena personnel itwetire itwaumire atweta sibitari ekiguchwa ira kawira ugane ira kawira ira mwekuru achiara ira barabarene kawira akauga i dispensary sibitari nene inde ingi department chionde bachoka babandika kibao kya dispensary au bamechange nya status bekira kibao genda bone ni dispensary kenda ithare na nasio umwe nasi tu ino umwe dispensary health center kiguchwa bainga laboratory bainga ina kunge kunde maternity bainga maternity no igitariria tithai but nandi tuge kwina wenji biro tutiandika tuturugora sibitari kiguchwa irombera things are not the same.
So hospitali witaruro mwanka rwari
no dispensary na nasi umwe gakora turaandika. So what I'm saying is that thirikari tikumba to solve problems chanto it has no business being there.
You know much ndika na terima to bakiuga we senate kwero uga for the sake of peace in Meru Kawira must go. Is this the peace we were talking about?
Peace anto bati utedha kabati kwa na services re ka peace rembi peace services babu wero TV dai bukethro ote services bo kwanto le what would be your business here?
Nothing.
There can't be any business if you are not serving the people of Meru. Inyabu wero TV, even if it's a private enterprise, it must deliver services to the people. Number 2 gechonge iturenda kuandika agricultural officers. Babu bukumenya agricultural extension in Meru County ni ekwire. No to there are no officers. Baritaire bonde jawondo offices chonde cia ingirwe. Tutiki akina sub county offices. Arimi betu na Meru is an agricultural county. Bagate dua no rira tukakara tukiuga igitare onde wenji bill bau baritaire bonde bari mu office ne jau na uondi ne na ri batekari replace one tukwina wenji bill. So my issue is kwina gokora kare au.
Kabori ate so owe ya MCA.
Yes.
Thuri oversight the government. What have you done about it?
What I've done about it is talking the way I'm talking today.
And talking
kwera Meru na kwera thirikari eu na 1/10. Na kwera Meru thirikari eu 1/10.
The last government no retere motion impeachment. Iyo ethiatia. Talking is not enough.
Indirect motion jo impeachment. Na ndauga ndiraete thirikari kanya eritanguge at least one financial year. Utumba ntingi umba kwambiria oversight nya kawira ntambiria oversight ye when the first days ndambire kuthiria mwaka jo ichonko ndona buru etete boga iro ndambiriria oversight
mbere mwaka yumete
ndarete impeachment yembere inda supportere no ntumbere ma indonere atinanya mitugo mega ya mutongeria athiruka akirumana na ndona ni aja kai na ndu. That's why I supported no ntu ngogie were anene ere kuthiuruka irumana na so that's why I supported. So what I'm saying ndiraugite gampe mutuma mbere ma kanya no mwaka jumwe no tumbere ma nukumenya mbere ma aratonyere atinenya experience ya siasa atina experience ya governance atina any experience from anywhere ya Quran County. So ndauga let me give him time aran from the job on job training angin on job training uretete at least mwaka jumwe no mtu tena any experience from anywhere ya governance in leadership kane I think it was fair enough.
No menya bo buki impeach Kawira.
You see what I'm saying? Kwethera indamenya kantamenya is not an issue no nto.
It is an issue because okay kwethwa maybe so Kawira na na qualities hizi na menya governance.
Kawira tamenya governance lakini na na experience ya siasa. Kawira is an experienced politician.
So maybe bukireka then akiendelea ukakwithwa no menya governor Mutuma atina experience ina anga watu ro tamenya Mutuma atina experience.
Odin indamenya atina experience igetu kuga atiri ikie tumi kuga atiri twamwere kanya aran on the ndamwere oni as a
Alan
person
on the
ndamwere
job.
kanya aran on the job
And-
mbere ma
And how has
mutuma
the learning been?
mutuma atena atari na experience ira atari nene siasa ni ndauga atari na experience ya siasa kemba governance lakini kawira na ali women rep miaka ngana
Of course mo siasa.
na ali women
5
rep
years.
miaka 5 na ali no ofisi na ali no ofisi arana egwito ofisi ya ngaf kwau utumba kuga orengi akawira kanya mturari women rep miaka 5 a represented Meru County na kira na office so mutuma kwithira twengire kawira ni tuba incompetence te kuga that's a reason ye mutuma ethira te competent tuga incompetent no twengire kawira
You know mosh baraba support mutuma bari ugatire impeach kawira maybe wekete wa promise mutuma that's why maybe you're bitter. Kawe gete wa promise ne mutuma o ikie motion
akawira wega promise te mbire ndamuthire oversight kawira ri o bambe bauge kawira weri no ntinda muthire oversight na kia mwisho ndamwingari imbi am promise te
Okay, let me rephrase.
Yes.
Can you rephrase?
Eh.
Kako if you were expected, for example,
Out
a
of,
deputy governor.
nda expected good governance na nio nti kuona
What expected to get a deputy
any
governor.
personal position.
utikio nda expected na teka kwirio ndeni ndacieja giti na mutuma na aina right ye kwa bara kwenda giti na iwi tiumba kundigiria kuthithia oversight no turenda thiria kawira teka gwi ntare okiama kia ona tutaijene na utikio nda expected so bara bakuanga nda expected giti kanta expected na nya ko expect giti kethe nda expected is very normal akwe makosa jareo na nya kurega kwewa no normal ka ugo nyago ta expect uketha wa expected gichungere ugo nyago ta ina gya choka geta kakwe makosa jareo
Mheshimiwa, let me
you see kwewa giti ka kurega kwewa giti is at the prerogative of the appointing officer eu ingo gyewe so kwa kugeria bakungangi bakiuga ngai giti nda expected nka ewa na ndio tikyo nda expected no tikyo kwenda na nyaga mpante tonga ubere ou utikyo nda expected no tikyo kwenda na nyaga mpa
yeah.
ntijukia
So, Mheshimiwa, let me ask. Ibonete maybe committee tia mbunge, either Senate kana National Assembly. Baeta kiri some of these institutions ontire kurari na manto ya mauta and stuff. Ibaretire kwa Kenya Pipeline kuona kwethirwa mautera ya and they discovered stuff at the mautera ya tachokere. So babure ya committee tia mbunge, have you maybe ibwete tesibitari no ntoyo weki uchobo kuwira kuona kwethirwa manto ya kwende kethirwa chibitari na atere the situations because woni this is what I would call oversight.
we have been there twitite muno itwari kiguchwa tweta twethira ura gukari
committees ne itara kawira mo
itwari kiguchwa even after kawira kwa na iro twari kiguchwa orwa itwari Meru general twetite kuona cibitari en general actually no igerwe governor gituminyankum anchoke gituminyankum 1 over 10 no igerwe akiuga antu bai mama baire tandene no nto abakwinero kigocho. That's a very responsible statement from a leader of that status. Antu bai mama baire cibitari no nto ikigocho bakwine. I mean it is too irresponsible bwana. The other day turabanga in fact nyatha tutakinyaniri tukwenda gwita kuriunga cibitari Kanyakine kinya na so many issues.
I'm getting a lot of complaints actually
from cibitari Kanyakine actually no indate ta kinya gichunge itubangite gwita ituraraia na chairman yo committee of health no Southiment na ara igoji Mheshimiwa Damiano Muchui itukwenda gwita kuriunga cibitari ya Kanyakine nyashitie kuiwe kan patients na u batinachio so that cannot be true akuga tutikuthithia oversight ura twatheye gitaraka wira
yero ndronere Mheshimiwa Mwendali akiwa thirikari nitite boy I don't know why you're reading from different scripts
and what are your colleagues thought most of them not inkomenya ibo aragia kabakiri iba go feel the same way you're feeling kana bethogani ate
mushimo mbere tuchokiria kiuri kiu kamaranirie na Mumiru ndimuririkani ati Mount Kenya University iri na ndwangi kiri town mwanya mwanya chia Kenya including county ya Meru kana town ya Mutindwa bare ara opposite ya county assembly huko aba mheshimiwa baria na Embu county bare barabara ya SN Patel na akwina Panasonic Hotel na Nyeri bare na marketing office yo barabara ya Kimathi akwina banki ya Faulu Kuluki bari Nairobi bari na Parklands Law Campus bari na Kuru Eldoret Mombasa Malindi Kericho Kisumu Kakamega Kisii Kitale na Machakos na ndibe droba kaya na courses mwanya mwanya kiri medical school, school of public health, school of clinical medicine, school of pharmacy, school of nursing, pure and applied sciences, school of computing and informatics, school of engineering, school of business and economics, school of hospitality, travel and tourism management, school of law, school of social sciences na school of education. Na medical school yo ni etongereti endene ya East Africa. So weta kubwithiria medical university ya MKU bishwa atokethro uri umwe waparaba ketho batongerete ndene ya thiguru Kenya na by offer bachelor's degree, master's degree, PhD, diplomas na Kenya certificate na muthikire bethera bena annual intakes kana intakes jo nichethera irio January, May na September kiri regular students na nkuluki May na September intake ya 2026 niti tena mbere kiri arimo baraba kwenda kwithira bakiongela kithomo kyo kwithira kwenda intakes ya April, August na December na thai August intake niti tena mbere so no withira echi andikithia woke kwithira ri mwarimu na kwenda kwithira kiongela kithomo yaku araniria na bom uri Meru waraniria na campus ya Meru campus ukilokira na mbeje ya thimo 0724 178832 na Embu ni 0704 335547 na main campus yo Thika ni 0709 153 000. Mount Kenya University, unlocking infinite possibilities.
Mwishto shokire kiuria gia ugona colleagues back
kia mwendari keja
araugira thirikari itete bwega
muno keja kwithura na araugira thirikari ni itete bwega na bu kwithura kinya wengwa generation siri gutuma auga ni itete bwega and I really don't know what has informed his opinion na itonga buka mwita keja kauga ni ndauga
akire colleagues bara maybe okwaria
ndauga thirikari itete bwega na kinya colleagues ba kwa bara kwaria abo thirikari itete bwega kira ki the elected colleagues by na reprieve nakyo abaerwe at least the 23 million share kitwa in their wants ni kumbo tuma bakaumara wondine na ingwitikia that is the only reprieve ira bainyo so kinya baba ugite kabachiumia na ndi baitaite baritenguge na 23 million but you see after 23 million kifo ugaita 23 million by everyone that is 400 around 460 million kiri wants you na no it's around 900 million oka 9 something million tekumbo tare sababu ga offend boy garakini it's around that ugaita mbeshe yu tugenye 1 billion ugaita mbeshe yetu cha count 14 billion it is important that tukamenya yu inge na igwita
budget ya count 14 billion
around 13 point almost 14 billion tugitara kinya mbechiri ingi cia kumagi partners so kiri budget ya 2025-2026 it's around 13 billion point something almost 14 billion so apart from the maybe 1 billion you were allocate to the ones through MCAs then the government should also be accounting for the other for the other expenditure for the other mbeche wingi chionde no mbeche cia Mumiru so I think the elected colleagues maybe they may be comfortable with the 23 million they have been awarded in their wants but batu na ndina tuno mwaka tukarie the 13 billion iwe gutigara kana 12 billion no mwaka turine gwita so we cannot just keep quiet 23 million ira yeta wondi netha nä gwä ta nä må mä rå nara wondi nä å gategera onetha kwä value akona for money. You see, we must also get value for the money. Mbeca iu ciothe no mwaka tå get value for the money. tå tä tä kä ria antå betagwo akairasi bira biaki igita rä a munyana kä raitå rangi å rä a kawä ra thithaia biakwa rangi biambä ria kå rugå rwa. We must do a lot of oversight.
You are a very close ally wa Senator Kathuri Murungi, Senator wa Meru, who is supporting the governor so much to an extent kwä nyakaraja yako ndo mugwatia gucokia biuria ndene Senate uria agu support uritingo gibo wa mutuma. Why are you going maybe contrary, and this might come as a surprise to many?
I would want ndenda kuga oni nte Senator Kathuri Murungi. Na mantura ndithaia jonthe ndena mumiru amenye I don't do it on behalf of Senator Kathuri Murungi. Kari munene okwo kiama kia UDA na imwete heshima mono na imu respectite mono ende mandate kwa oversight ete ku determine wa Kathuri Murungi iri determine sheria ne constitution ya Kenya kwa wekeja kwethirwa Kathuri Murungi ate ku thithia oversight. That doesn't mean said ke yatithia oversight. Na by the way, Kathuri Murungi has never sent me to say anything or to do anything. Kinya thantu bauganga Kathuri antumanga antuma ku impeach kawiranga. That is not true. It is purely at my own prerogative. Kinya oversight yenda mberia na arua. In my own prerogative na Kathuri atina any constitutional mandate nye gunkania. So na we aina right yewe as a person ya kuthithia uri akuona gukibua. Yes.
So to what extremes okwendo kinyia oversight yeku, yani oversight yeku kwambiriru ariri urenda imwanka kiwango kiriku oversight yeku ikethira yikinya mbere utichokire kiu. Diana Gachungwa aruatire kire Facebook. ZK is simply expressing what many people on the ground feel. Giving Mutuma 1/10 reflects the frustration of slow development, unfulfilled promises, and lack of visible impact. Leadership is measured by results, not words. People want action, accountability, and real change they can actually see and feel. Meru haitaki peace. Eric Durandra kawa Weru TV ambia Madam ZK akujie women rep tutampea bure. Alileta heshima Meru. Jackson Mwenda Nyenye akawa the impeached, incompetent and sworn competent. How comes doctors are on the same strike you addressed those days? How comes our towns are centers of uncollected dustbins? Are you aware how many ECD babies are in Meru County? To feed them with 1 cup of porridge, are you aware how much they costed? Are you aware what's coming to happen for MYS? Are you aware of scandal and the way one sniper could not be buried before getting his justice? Now was impeachment justice for sniper? Okay. Now, Mheshimiwa, oversight yeye kurendo mikinyeko. What heights?
Oversight yeye kwa ndenda kumikinya a notch aya na ara tukinyite thaici oversight yekwa ni kuritana mwananchi. Actually ndenda kumiambiri nye civic education. This time nte kwenda kumithithia radio ne yake ndenda kuthiuruka nyanke nkiaragia na antu bathire oversight. Nonto nkithithia oversight na nkibaritana. Nonto we have a problem. Gichunge we have a very big problem. Kwi karwimbo kaini imuini umona akwenu ugaga nyetha tambije kwina mono akauga mtu ari ukira nturene kinyara ari mwambo nguku akeja akauga na kwenda kura ukamwa kura eta tonya mbunge akarambi akaga ura gwitete kuthithia mbunge we experience ira ni one kuya nguku mwambo nguku ungenwe experience ira nio ne kuringo maraya na jaromba kura bukagitatea
Kamwa.
kago expect bwa mwangu na experience ira ne one kuringa maraya ri kaka thithia ungitigo uwe ici so oversight arang kwenda mikinyia riu ndienda ku make sure antu bamero bakumenya muntu ura babwikuthura
Tutakinya no seneti tutetaki impeachment we.
Au ndio kwenda.
Yaba uga no chaya ndamaka kidogo.
Kwa kwe. Are we looking into another impeachment?
Another impeachment tuchereri sheria etegwitikiria there are timelines that you cannot take
Impeach a governor.
Impeach
I don't
a
think
governor.
they are timelines.
There are timelines.
A year to election or something?
Some months to sometimes to election. We may not
No,
get there. No. We may not get there. There are timelines kulingana na constitution, although ntekurikana constitution, the constitution may limit. We cannot get there.
No, the constitution does not limit.
It
Only,
limits.
no. Unless Merida campaign to Merida is when you
February,
cannot impeach.
which
Yes.
means next year February.
I think inya ketha ntekurikana
that you win
ntekurikana inya tha ntekurikana kipengere
Ogoro
kiu
mgema.
inya tha ntekurikana kipengere kiu you don't start with the impeachment inya nkija wiki impeachment ekawira ndamuthirite oversight umwaka jumwe if you can remember oversight umwaka jumwe na nkija gichunge kamwira rekebisha gethera bwarikana so what I think mutumatiga ura inya ati kuthikira bwega akethera athikirite na akenda akarekebisha mtu akarekebisha makosa teka athinjawa na ati na agitegetambura mtu na ejawa warning
Ndenda gutuma assembly motion ntu nwitete assembly kwina nguto ikuga kwina antu ba appointee CECs. I don't know chief of staff wa umana please to confirm rekethera kwina gintu ja kiu because it might not come to us.
Okay, utengu tuirio.
You confirm?
Yeah. Ntoribeterekia na appointee kwithirwa ari CC wa public service. Ya solve the neuchi nubwe nacho.
Maybe utetera chia kwandika.
ntaramenya thana point uniambonete akia congratulated page newe Facebook
It is confirmed. It is
ntaramenyethera ni na point no ntuingwitikia appointments chionde gaitumairwa antu bamiru bakamenya muntu agwa appointwa kwau nande nare confirm irigwe gichunge tutikumenya no ntuinya ugo utira
Okay, Mheshimiwa, you know, tena kiuri kiowe because rietora ntoribeterekia tayari nenkadikire assembly. Do you not attend assembly sessions?
no rinenkaniria assembly na ntirigwa rikithomo nya ndakwira kinyari kethira nte attendete I get the information from the information desk ira to watane ritithomi bunge no ngambuga rithomwe na arua so ethire nenkaniri we are not I'm not aware because we have not got that information even from the information desk ira to watane information in your assembly there is a way that the assembly communicates to members we have not got that so rira rikathomwa iro tukamenya rieto ire nenkanirie assembly otherwise ngugicia thirikari na cio ititawa thuru nguto ngugicia thirikari munene karungama akauga ngwa appointing ngania antu bamero bakaigua kamtu agwa appointwa secretary je kaburi urogi
Appointment ibo kurenkanira ya.
tokuria kamtu agwa appointwa secretary ugate kamtu atumairia akauga CC of public service na arangumira ngugine na ndi ngwa appoint so and so ne ate umba ku appoint secretary je kaburi urogi kwa kunengera antu bamero urogi.
Okay, no twirire mantu ya resignation ya maranya irio ya tumirirwe
itatumirwa nguto iwinya cio twigagua.
You know, it feels like mantu yo twete ayo ndari ari ya nguto
iwa tu alija ntera ya nguto ya nguto nkugani ajara ya nguto nkuga ambigagua ende kwejo nkuga imbiche utera igwa nkuga ya maingi nkomenya teja nguto ntara ya nguto ende dauga iuti yao nguto.
I feel mwesh kitambo Martin ginto ja supplementary kia twakiona nya mitandaone I don't know nowadays na ata interview I feel from where I sit bierungu
ndakwira atiri wonde
na mwajo menye to bomurekete bore assembly no to ibukiri
ndekuga vere kiriare atiri beta abantu bakai baka ibo baritangu giu secretary jaiu na ndi jaiu cia ku negotiate mantu ja wandika ni mbimbi kuri antu beta bakai
atutu
nya assembly bakai
batutu te inya assembly beta bakai
ya baobo
bale yo inya Sunday ngugwa kwebo beti ende batu
like
tuteti
kamiti
selected
fulani ya bunge kana
baselecta wa kulingana na ura mtu akuigwa
kulingana na loyalty
bau okuigwa bakiwa thirikari nitete bwega ibo betawa
you know
bau okuigwa bakiwa thirikari nitete bwega ibo betawa.
Okay, answer you, Kija. But
the answer is home.
Yeah.
The answer is home.
It's only that I expected Mheshimiwa owoke through umwa, you know, the kitchen people
Cabinet.
ba Mutuma, because owe literally owo mwikirete
kankuthekia Martin tinarua ndethira nti akui tukurikia oreo Mutuma agurire mburi amugwete nyangavana narua mbuge ngavana Mutuma agurire mburi eta kuriwa eta kugitate athinja bate na arego mbita
ina ya thinjiri
why
na arego mbita
ina thinjairo
ina thinjiri
ntuga na are thinjiri
niki uteterwe
ntije niki no tuntetirwe ndora ne ate antu bakuria into au no te ana reri imburi eguchokia nkatho abantetwa recently na retete MCAs baimenti kwawe una DMK itutetwa recently Mutuma ngavana no kwariria te kwariria mutungi
ina beti
kwawe residence una DMK itutetwa so na ndi ugaturia mantu jambanje tikana biu bikuthithirwa rungu na batu nya rabi kwarirwa tutigwitwa.
We are here for you, don't worry.
Ndakwira ndaugana ne amero nkwira una DMK tutagitatia tutetwa bai etete MCAs baimenti na ba una DMK tutetwa na ndi wamburia na arabi bigukwekerwa na abi okuorerwa ri nkamenyera na atigana ni bitete assembly
ka wonanirie uthubo waku mapema
uthubo ai uthu na uga thirikari tete bwa gakuru uthubo rio tayabu ikurekebishwa kaburi uthubo u.
Thank you Mheshimiwa.
Ali kaburi uthu
katukunenganire TV ne moish
tutari kanya nawe lakini ndenda tumeria maranya kuma kire Facebook fan page yake ari watire resignation from a decent cabinet job is never easy, never experienced in Meru under the previous leadership, but one day my children will understand that that they gave his best but chose not to compromise his conscience even when it meant there might not always be a bread on the table.
Let's proceed from
that is maranya for you.
Twende huko kwa TV.
We're classified. Tukuwate ogeni ndegoro ya tuirio tutu thongi.
Ingo kugwata ogeni aja Weru TV rikone arua tumenye njira ingi ekuruga ikwashe bia tubikarija nirwa na nguku ngamita aroma fried chicken
turi na musemo aja nio karita no kurugira nja yaku
na narwa mutegeri wetu tutegere rugere ya into biria turugaga bigatigara kuri bread the leftover foods
tuiterikone
turenda kima yetu ithirwe crispy